Beautiful view of the various mountains. Right now we are at a very decent altitude. We have climbed about 133 meters from where we are. We are touching 4,000 meters. This is the first time we'll be touching 4,000 meters. Look at those beautiful mountains. It's pure bliss. So we are reaching Pangboche, the next town, and then after Pangboche we will head to another city for lunch, and then we head to Dingboche. Yeah, look at this view. This is, I think, the closest that we have got to Amadablam. Okay, and that's the Pingboche monastery that we will go on our way. And then yeah, we need to climb that and then go in that direction. Okay, this is Amadablam, and this is another. Look at these mountain peaks, beautiful. I don't know the names of these. I would ask my guide, but beautiful. And then you can see down there, that's the Dudhkoshi river, which is flowing. And then there are small rivulets which are coming down from these mountains, and then they are joining this river. And yeah, it's beautiful. You can see all the way there. Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, we are now started our trekking, and then this is the closest that we have got to Damadablam. We are very close to 4,000 meters. It's 3,972. And look at the views. And this is the trek party going, chugging along. And that is the mountain peak, but I don't know. Diksha, ये mountain peak का नाम क्या है?
This is Amadablam.
Amadablam. और ये वाला आगे?
नुकसे एवरेस्ट लगा हुआ है सर।
एवरेस्ट लगा हुआ है। इधर से दिखता था इधर कहीं तो?
हाँ सर।
अच्छा। वो एवरेस्ट दिखता था उधर से, लेकिन it's not visible. Beautiful views. Wow, look at this. Beautiful views. Amazing. More later. Hey guys again. So this dog has been following us all the while from Pangboche village. I think it's been at least a kilometer and a half, if not more. And this dog has been following us. And look at the views from here. We are at the cliff, edge of the cliff. Okay, this is how you can see. And look at the Dudhkoshi. Basically, we are following the Dudhkoshi river all across Amadablam, right? Beautiful views. So guys, an important landmark here on our trek. Look where we are. It is, wait, let me show it to you clearly. Look, we are at 4,000 meters above the sea level. So that's an important landmark. Cheers, Gopi.
Cheers. Another 2 Burj Khalifa almost to go. That's also.
2 Burj Khalifa, yeah, exactly. 2
Approximately.
Burj Khalifas to go. That's a good way of looking at it. Look, our party is going, and it's a beautiful view. Hello guys. We are at an altitude of 4,300 meters. And we are short of breath. We've been trekking for almost 6 hours. Yeah, you can see the landscape is very different. You find only shrubs, little shrubs, very deserted, and then no tree lines. You would have seen a lot of tree lines there earlier, but now no tree lines. Nothing at all. So yeah. Hello again. Yeah, so that is our stop for the night, and this is also going to be our rest day, acclimatization day. So this is the town of Dingboche. Okay, so it's a nice little town, very small town, and yeah, and then of course you'll see the Dudhkoshi river here flowing through, and then there are different mountain peaks all around us. Okay, so that's the thing. So I think it'll take us another, I don't know, 20 minutes to get there. Chalo bye. Hello people. Hi. Okay, so we are entering Dingboche. I guess another 5 meters we'll be reaching our hotel there. And yeah, this is the yak farm. Yeah, you can see. This is a little city of Dingboche. The stupa that we crossed, and the mountains, barren mountains, little shrubs in it. Deserted, I would say. And yeah, that's what it is. Okay, see you, bye. Finally, we reached Dingboche, our hotel. And this was a really tough day because some of us were suffering from loosies. We were not fully fit, so it took us a long time.
We took nice pictures on the way as Ahmedabad as the background. The trek was again quite long. It's not actually the 7 hours, it was more like 8.5 hours. My watch had died in between. But overall, a tough day, but very glad that we reached finally the resting place, and we will stay 2 nights here before we head out.
So this is how the typical tea house setting is. This is the common area, and then see there is a little heater, and this is actually one of the assistant guides, Suman. This is actually one of our porters, the guy here closer, and then the other guy who just turned this side, he's also one of the porters. And people all are sitting all around this place, and chatting away to glory. And we have this your trekking planner. So this is our table, and this is our table. So so people are generally sitting. There is things there. That's a reception. So this is the main area where everyone, the tea houses where people sit, and then we have rooms at a different.
This is typically our dinner, garlic soup to start with, very good for mountain sickness. Then we will have the dal bhat tarkari. So this is the bhat, which is rice, tarkari, some vegetable, and then you have the dal, which is good in protein, which is proteins.